In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a circle in AutoCAD. To create a circle in AutoCAD, start by typing C on your keyboard and press Enter to activate the circle command. Once the command is active, click anywhere in the drawing area to specify the center point of your circle. After selecting the center point, move your cursor away from the center and enter the desired radius value. Type the measurement for the radius and press Enter. AutoCAD will automatically create the circle based on the size you entered. The circle command is useful when you need to create accurate circular shapes with specific measurements. It helps you quickly draw circles while keeping the dimensions precise, especially when working on designs that require round objects or curved features. You can repeat the same process whenever you need to create additional circles. Start the circle command, select the center point, enter the radius value, and press Enter to create the circle. Once you have finished creating your circle, press Enter again to end the circle command. And that's how to make a circle in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.